Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this is part 2 of adding white. I just wanted to go out to the shop and kind of do a test, and I failed to mention when I'm talking white, I'm talking RGB white, not CMYK white. So I drew a file, and I have a black strip that's on the layer below. This one, let's get a yellow box trick. Take a yellow box and make it. This was white. It's RGB white. This one's like 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50% gray or black. So when you go to engrave that, the top layers control the engraving. This one was the white one. It did not engrave at all. This is a piece of alder that's already got finish on it. Didn't take the finish off, didn't hurt the product whatsoever, but it blocked the black from coming through. This is the 10% gray or 10% black. It just barely took the finish off. Didn't really change the wood. This is the 30, 40, 50%. Now they look like they're as dark as that, but they're not as deep as the black. This is the true black. So these are less deep. And this looks bad. I wiped it off with alcohol and it kind of raised the grain a little bit. So that's how you can stop, like in that one I just did, which is part 1. And if you didn't watch that, you need to watch part 1 of this, where we had a bird and this black was in the background. And you can always go and look in how I did that. I went to order, put the front of the page. Now the black is going to engrave. But if you go to arrange and order, put it to the back of the page, only the pieces of black that are showing will engrave. I guess it works just like a printer. This would only print this, and it would print this on top of it, but that black will not print. Now I did put a 5-point line around it so we could see where I did the white, but this one did not engrave whatsoever. Now with CMYK, it'll engrave on a laser engraver, so be careful what you have. You can always check your colors right here. RGB black. White. It is some numbers, but it is a white. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.